and starting with question number 1 to 4. Now these 4, there are some 10 persons sitting in a row, and these persons are facing in a row. Some are north and some are south. Some north and some south were given. First or the second priority? Definitely under the second, because 10 persons were there, that to north and south combination is given. Now let us leave this one for the second priority. Then after this, then coming to question number 5. Then question number 5 onwards, how many questions are there? There are just 3 questions based on this one, isn't it? And C and B. Now C and B, now C is here. Now combination of elements A lesser than or equals to C lesser than or equals to H equals to D. B lesser than D means B greater than B. E lesser than B means B greater than E. Now between C and B. C and B, two opposite symbols, no relation. A and D, A lesser than or equals to D, D greater than or equals to A, that's again ruled out. Then what is your answer here? Neither one nor two, choice for question number 5. And next one, N lesser than or equals to C lesser than K, L greater than K means K lesser than L, and N lesser than or equals to C means C greater than or equals to N, and L equals to H. Then in this one, H and N. N lesser than H, H greater than N. And next one, C and L. Now C and L greater than, less than, two opposite symbols, no relation. Hence what is your answer here? Must C ki L ki must. Now N lesser than C greater than or equals to N. What about this one? N lesser than, must have been N and C. Now C is, and N lesser than or equals to C, C lesser than K, and next one K lesser than L, and E greater than or equals to N. Now this is E greater than or equals to N. Then C and L. Now C and L, C lesser than L is definitely true. And so what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice by question number 6. Then 7th one. Now in the 7th one, and U and Q. Now U is here and Q is here. Then starting with this one, Q equals to R lesser than or equals to T, and T lesser than or equals to S, and U, S lesser than or equals to U, and U equals to M. Then U and Q and U, what is the relation we have? And Q lesser than or equals to U. That is U greater than or equals to Q. And again, now this U and M are one and the same, and in the place of U, M you can take it as U, and in the place of R you can take it as Q. That means Q is either greater or equal. Either greater or equal, that is choice 3, question number 7. Clear? The next one, 8th one. Now in this 8th one, how many such pairs are there? And how many such pairs are there in this word? SUB, yes, subspecies. PE, CIE. Now in this one, starting with S. PUVWXYZA. And you no letter more than this one. B, C, D and E. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. P, Q, R, S, T, U. E, F, G, H, I. C, D, E, there is one more. And next one, I, J. And so left to right, how many pairs we have? 2. And again in the reverse, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. E, F, G, H, I, J. And P, Q, R, S, T. S, T, U. S, T, U, there is one more. And how many pairs we have? 3. And 3, that is choice for question number 8. Then 9 onwards. Now coming to 9, there are some 9 persons studying in 3 different departments, and it comes under common parameter, isn't it? And minimum 2 persons and maximum 4 persons. Minimum 2, maximum 4 persons were there. Then what are the different possibilities we can have? And 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, there is one such possibility. 2, 3, 4. And again you can have 3, 3, 3. Isn't it? And now 9 persons were there in 3 different departments. Now first one is BCom and BA and BSc. BCom, BA and BSc, and altogether there are some 9 persons here. And K is not studying in BCom department. Now K and next one. F is studying only with B. That means in one of the department there are 2 persons. As there are 2 persons in one other department, the remaining department 7. And 7 must be in between 2. And the combination is 2, 3 and 4. Then, hence in the department in which K and F is studying, F and P are the only persons studying in this department. F and P. And K and F are not studying in B, A. Now K and F cannot be here. K cannot be in BCom and K cannot be in BA and K must be in BS. Then K and F are not studying in the BA department. M is studying with L. M and L are studying, and N is studying with neither G nor L. N is not studying with G as well as L. And next one, E is studying with either M or K. And E is studying with whom? Either M or K. Then that means E is studying with either M or K. E is not studying in the BSc. Now E is not studying in the BSc, E cannot be here. As E cannot be here and E is not studying with K, and E must be starting with M. Hence E, M and L must be together in one department. The next one, if E, M and L are in one department, then E is studying with whom? E is studying with M and K. My M and K indicator? E is studying with either M or K. E is studying with either M or K and C is studying with M. And maximum persons are studying in the BA department. And in BA department, how many persons we need to have? 4 persons. Now if 4 persons in BA department, F and P, F cannot be here, isn't it? And here, now E cannot be here. Where should this F and P? F and P must be BCom. Now if F and P are in BCom, then now E, M and L are together. As E, M and L are together, now we cannot have E at this place. And where should this E? E, M, L must be. Now maximum number of persons are there in this BA 4. Hence in BSc we need to have 3 persons. Then who are the remaining 2 persons to have? N and H. Now N is not working with G and L. Hence G cannot be here. Hence G must be. Then, and if G is here and 4, 2 and 3 and the person is left out is H must be. Must have been no? FP, EM, LG, K and H. Now other 9 persons in this department. Now this is about question numbers 9 to 12. Clear? Then next one 13 onwards. Now in this 13 to 16 they are based on sequence. Now sequence if all the numbers are deleted and which relative 6 to the left of 9th from the right. Now 6th left and 9th right means 15th from the right without the numbers. Now 15th from the right without the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what is your answer? E, that is choice. And 13th one choice. And 14. How many numbers are there? Numbers which are immediately preceded by vowel and immediately followed by consonant. Number preceded by vowel followed by consonant. And vowel, number and a consonant. Now vowel, number and a consonant, and this is a vowel, and vowel, number and a consonant, and this vowel is not followed by number, vowel, number and a consonant, and vowel, number and a consonant, and vowel, number and a consonant. And how many are there altogether? And 3. 3 that is given choice for 14. And 15. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left hand, numbers are ascending order from left hand, then how many elements are there in between S and S? Isn't it? Now the question is about S and S. Number of elements. Much chesara leda idi? How many elements are there in between this? Ela chesaru? Then how many elements are there in between S and S? Now first all the numbers are arranged in ascending order. How many numbers do you have all together? My innuna Japan. Now 6, 7, 8. Now this is 5, 4, 3 and 5. Then between 8 and S. Now if they have 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 and next one 6, 7, 8. There is only one 8. Follow here or no? 8 are there only. 8 and 9. How many 9s you have? Only one 9. All the remaining numbers will be left hand side. Now the question is about from 8 and S. 8 is here. 8 ki S ki madhlo. How many elements are there? 9 is 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are there? And 2, 3, 4, 5. Now follow అవుతున్నా లేదా? 9 అయితే ఇక్కడ రాసాం. 9 తర్వాత ఏముండాలి? All the letters will be written in the same order. And what is the next letter we have? Z. Next time వచ్చింది A, Q, W, S. How many are in between? 1, 2, 3, 4. And more than 4 choice. Fine. Follow అవుతున్నారా? దీనికి మళ్ళీ మొత్తం సీక్వెన్స్ రాసే పని పెట్టుకోకండి. Clear? వాడు ఇవ్వడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ అదే. Assuming that 2 people will write down the entire sequence once. Then, because now this 8 is the second number in the descending order. That means, and right hand side of 8 is only one more number. All the remaining letters we need to count. Then, now this is about 15. Now 16th one. Saripinda? And 16th one, how many vowels are there which are immediately preceded by consonant and immediately followed by number? That means consonant, vowel preceded by consonant and followed by number. And consonant, vowel and a number. Consonant, vowel and a number. Now first we need to focus on this one. Vowel. Vowel must be at the center. Because consonants are more in number. ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. అందుకు తక్కువ ఉన్నది ఏముంది? Vowel. And we are starting with a vowel. Isn't it? Then next vowel ఎక్కడ ఉందాము? And E is. Now E కి ముందు consonant ఉందా లేదు? Now here I is a vowel preceded by consonant and followed by number 5. And next one, and vowel. And vowel, now this one. O is a vowel preceded by consonant 4 and followed by number 4. Isn't it then? Next one, vowel. And vowel ki em undali cheppandi? Immediately preceded by this one. And so many are there all together? 3. And 3 that is given in choice for question number 6. Then, అదే మీరు consonant అంటే you need to check out n number of elements. Then 17th one. Now in this 17, now 7 persons A through Z are going to a park on Sunday in different time slots. And time slots were given. My angel చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు first or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority. Isn't it? And again the timings were also clearly given. Hence first we need to write down the timings here. 8:30. Next one 8:45. 8:30, 8:45, 9, and next one 9:15, 9, 9:15, and 9:30, 9:45, 9:30, 9:45, and 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all together we have some 7 on Sunday at different times. Then, but not necessarily in the same order. Then coming to condition number 1, E goes to the park actually at the last slot. And E is at the last slot and C must be at what time? And E must be at 10 o'clock. Isn't it? And E must be at what time? E must be at 10 o'clock. And if E is at 10 o'clock and E is at 10 o'clock. The next one, more than 2 persons in between A and E. Between A and E, more than 2 persons. More than 2 persons means A can be at 9 o'clock or 8:45 or 8:30. Now these are the different possibilities out there to this game. Then the one who goes and at 9:30. The one who has the time slot at 9:30 goes after D. Now this 9:30. 9:30 goes after D and D must be before this 9:30. Isn't it? Now again, the word immediate is not given. As the word immediate is not given, D can be anywhere ahead of this 9:30. And time gap between G and E is 45 minutes. G and E is 45 minutes. 45 minutes and G must be 9:50 because E is at 10 o'clock and G must be at 9:50. Isn't it? And 45 minutes, one person between the 9:15 and B. Now between 9:15 and B there must be exactly one person and B can be either here or B can be here. 9:15 and B there must be exactly one here. And 9:15 and B there are 2 different possibilities. Must have been there 9:15 and B. There is a gap of 15 between A and C. Now between A and C only 15 minutes gap. Now 15 minutes gap, C must be here. If C is here, B must be. Must help enough? And again. Now this D is before this 9:30, D must be. Now if D is here, then who is the person after here? And F is the person after. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then, and there is a gap of 15 minutes between A and C. Now between A and C and 15 minutes gap is at 30 or at 9 o'clock. And here, now ఇక్కడ C ఇక్కడ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ C వస్తే ఇక్కడ B రావాలి. అవునా కదా? And ఇక్కడ మనకి C ఎక్కడ రావాలి చెప్పండి. C can get any one of these two places. Because the difference is only 15 minutes. There is a gap of 60 minutes between D and F. Now between D and F there must be exactly 1 hour. 1 hour gap అంటే మనకి ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. And 1 hour gap between D and F. D and F, 1 hour gap, hence where should this D? Now if D is here and 9:30 must be here. Must have been there. D and F 1 hour. Then next one, D and F 9 and 10 is not possible. And this case is ruled out. Then who is the person after here? C is the person after. Now, and C is and before. Now C goes to the park before it. Here C is after here, this is again ruled out. And finally we have left. మా ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇది ఎందుకు చెక్ చేసాను చెప్పండి. ఇంకా మీకు డౌట్ ఉండిపోయింది why these two are left over. That is the reason we had. And that too, and we have got this arrangement much earlier at this time. ఇక్కడే వచ్చేసింది మనం. మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు చెక్ చేయవలసి వచ్చింది? ఏమో ఇన్ కేస్ ఇది ఏదైనా కనీసం ఇన్వాలిడ్ అయిందో లేదో చెక్ చేస్తాం. Then అదే లాస్ట్కి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, there is no necessity to check out the statement because all the statements were already checked. Now as the arrangement we have got at the center, now there are some more information is there. Maybe all the statements are valid or invalid, you need to check out once. అందుకు మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేయవచ్చు. Then now this is about 17 to 20.